I hate sticky lip gloss. It's 2020. Why are we still making sticky lip gloss? Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Fenty Gloss Bomb creams. I'm going to be doing a review of all 5 shades, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out. I heard that they're really pigmented and that they don't have like the little shimmers and the glitters, which I don't mind in a lip gloss, but I prefer it to be just glossy and not shimmery. So I'm gonna swatch them on my hands first. So the first shade I'm gonna try is the Fenty Glow, which is the number 2. So it's kind of like this brownish pink. It's more so pink, but it does have a little bit of brown tint in it. I can already tell that it's super pigmented just from swatching it on my hand, and that was like from one dip. So the next shade I went ahead and opened up is actually called Cookie Jar. Y'all, clearly I'm terrible at swatching, but we're gonna ignore that.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
But yeah, that one's also a really nice shade. So the next shade I'm gonna try is called Honey Waffles. So that's the third one right there. It's like a light tan color, I would say. So I would say Honey Waffles has a little bit of an orangey brownish color. I'm not sure. It kind of looks like it might be too light on me, but we'll see. So the next shade I'm gonna swatch is called Mauve. So that's that, like, it's kind of like a lilac purpley color. Again, this one I'm kind of scared to try because it looks like it might be too light, but we will see. And last but not least, I'm gonna try the Fruit Snacks, or I'm gonna swatch the Fruit Snacks. I really like that color. Oh my god. It's kind of like a magenta type of color, which I really like. I have a lot of clothes and dresses and stuff that are this color, so I feel like I could wear it like a neutral face and then use that color. So I'm really excited to try that one. Honestly guys, if I get through this whole video without getting any makeup on my white top, it will literally be a miracle. That was like the one thing I was scared of, wearing a white top, but I was just feeling the vibes, so I went along with it. I'm so excited. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the Fenty Glow. So I just went ahead and applied the Fenty Glow. This one is pretty natural. I don't see too much pigment compared to the other swatches that I just did, but I do like it. Like, it's very pretty. I feel like you can wear it with an everyday makeup look. First impressions, the brush is really soft. Like, honestly, the applicator on this is just super soft. I don't know what it is, but I just noticed that, like, it just felt different. This one's like a super natural look. If you're of a lighter shade than me, this might show more on you. It's kind of just like a natural lip color for me, which I'm not mad at all. Like, it's still really pretty. In terms of the texture, it does feel kind of thick on my lips, a lot thicker than what I'm used to feeling, and I'm guessing that's because of this lip gloss is supposed to be more pigmented. So it does feel thick. I would say that's the only downside I'm noticing so far, but it's not sticky, which y'all, I hate sticky lip gloss. It's 2020. Why are we still making sticky lip gloss? I'm really happy that it's not sticky, and it's also not stringy. You know when you put an extra coat of lip gloss on and then you open and close your lips and you get that like weird stringy stuff? Like, it's not doing that at all, so I'm really happy about that. So yeah, it's not doing the stringy thing, it's not doing the sticky thing, so far so good. I'm gonna go ahead and try the rest of the shades on. So the next shade I'm going to try is Cookie Jar, which I'm so excited about, guys. Like, I love my browns. Like, I'm a chocolate girl and I love putting chocolate on my skin, so I'm really excited to try this one. Y'all, I knew I was gonna like this one. Like, literally the second I saw the color, I was like, that is it. Like, usually for me, lip glosses don't do it. Like, they don't cover the pigmentation on my lips, so I always have to like put a lipstick on first and then put a lip gloss on if I want to do like a really bright pigmented color, but I want a glossy look, and that's kind of like double work, and it's kind of annoying to have to do that. But yeah, this is like super pigmented. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Like, this color is so far my favorite. I know I tried 2. What am I talking about? It's super cute. I feel like you can wear it for like a fall look. It would go really well with those brown tones and stuff that like people tend to gravitate towards in the fall time. So yeah, I'm definitely keeping this one. It looks so good. So the next shade that I'm gonna try for you guys is called Honey Waffles. Okay, I don't hate it, but I do feel like it's a little bit too light for me, but I feel like I can get away with it if I line my lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with my Ghetto Ass Wet n Wild eyeliner. It's not even a lip liner, but it does the job. I really feel like the lip liner saves me. Don't do what I did, apply the lip liner first because it looks so much better that way. But I was in a rush because my battery's about to die and I'm trying to get all these shades and finish this video. But I prefer it with the lip liner. So now I'm gonna go in with Fruit Snacks. I'm so excited. I love red lips. I feel like red lips looks good on everybody. Like there's a shade of red for everyone. Really liking the fact that it's a deep red because I feel like because I'm dark skinned, deep reds tend to look much better on my skin tone. You guys, I love this color. It's so pretty. I think this is my favorite actually. Like I know I said the other one, but that's like in a close second. This one is so pretty. All right guys, so last but not least, I'm gonna be trying the shade Mauve Wives. This shade is like very light and pink. I'm kind of scared, but we will see. I think I'm gonna put a lip liner on first just to make sure, and then I'm gonna try it with that, and then I'm gonna go back and try the Fenty Glow with the lip liner because that one was kind of light too. You know what, I kind of like it. It is much lighter than I would normally go for, but it's not bad, especially with the lip liner. I actually think it's cute. Alright guys, so I'm gonna apply the shade Fenty Glow next, and this time I'm gonna use it with a lip liner just because I felt like it was kind of more on the natural side. I just want to kind of give it that oomph. So I'm gonna add a lip liner and see how it looks. Alright guys, so that is the Fenty Glow with the lip liner. I like it much better with the lip liner. I just felt like it was a little bit too on the natural side for me personally. So if I wear this shade, I definitely will be using it with a lip liner. Final verdict on all of the lip glosses, my favorite shades were definitely Fruit Snacks and Cookie Jar. Those were like my definitely top two. I'm for sure gonna keep these ones. I do like the other three shades. I just feel like they're really not the type of shades I normally go for. Fenty Glow is like more natural. Like I feel like I already have a lip gloss that looks like that, so I'm not really sure if I'm gonna keep it. That's my honest opinion. Mauve Wives is like really out of my comfort zone, but I'm gonna try it again. Like I feel like I'll wear it out and see how I feel about it before I decide if I'm gonna keep it for sure or not. But yeah, those are my honest reviews. It is pretty pigmented, I'm not gonna lie. That was like the main thing that I kept hearing about the new Fenty cream glosses, is that they were very pigmented, and like for a lip gloss, I'm not gonna lie, they are super pigmented. They're not all the way pigmented as like you would probably have with a liquid lipstick, but that's really expected because it's a lip gloss. I'm really happy with them, honestly. Like I'm definitely keeping those 2 shades. I'm gonna decide about the rest of them. So Rhianna came through yet again. Alright guys, so that does bring me to the end of the video. Let me know what you guys thought about the gloss bombs, if you've tried them, and if you haven't, let me know what shades that you're excited to try. And if you have any questions, I'll be sure to answer it in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.